Let's assemble the grater. Done! And now we need to fuel the grater. Pump. Hooray! Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. We need to wash the grater. That's all. We need to assemble the dump truck. Keep it up. Let's load the dump truck. We did it! Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. Let's weld a crack on the dump truck. We did it! And now let's grind the same. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. We did it!